welcome to week 3, and the topic for this today is citizenship.
Oh, let's see what the meaning of this. So before going into the citizenship, describe your neighbor in one sentence.
Think about it. Think about it. Yeah, like the person who lived next door to you, he is also a citizen of your country. So think about him and try to describe him.
So if you live in a village, like in a house, you can describe the neighbor from your left, from your right, opposite you, or if you live in a condo, maybe the neighbor from up, maybe it's very noisy and like trample on the floor. So describe your neighbor.
So today we will learn about citizenship, and the purpose of this exercise is that we will learn about citizenship to be able to describe the roles of visual art reflecting life and society. Afterwards, we will be able to conduct ourselves with good manners when working with family members and others, together with searching for and collect the terms related to friends, areas from learning resources, and present them through speaking and writing.
Very nice. So let's go to the vocabulary. So the first one, conduct. Conduct. So a citizen can conduct to a neighbor.
Or like how you behave in public, like how your good conduct or bad conduct. So that is also what conduct means. And the second word is citizen. Citizen. So you are a citizen of Thailand. I am a citizen of India. Teacher Kevin is a citizen of Switzerland. So think about which country you're from, and that is what citizen means.
So third one is responsibility. Responsibility. So we as a teacher, we have responsibility to teach you. So responsibility can be for everything, even for you. Then you also have responsibility. If you have a dog, a cat, so you need to have responsibility of your pet.
And the last word is rights. Rights. As a citizen, you have the right. You have the right to vote. You have the right to clean water. You have the right and the freedom to travel. So think about what your rights are.
Okay, so the work mode. So a citizen is someone who was born in a country and has all the legal rights and privilege of being from that country. What document? So we live here, we are teacher here, but we don't have the same privilege like you as a Thai. So if you go to India or if you go to Switzerland, you will have different privilege and different rights.
Next question, what document shows that you are a citizen of the country? And so usually it is your passport. So when you travel by flight, when you travel by ship, you always show your passport before you leave to prove which country you're from.
And you have also something else smaller than a passport. I don't say the name, try to find it yourself. Okay, so here you see 5 moving pictures called GIF. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And say which one is correct as a citizen to do.
So as a citizen, you have to behave properly in public. So which is the good behavior?
Yes.
So think.
So number 1, you see someone who is robbing a bank. Number 2, scratching a car. Number 3, fight. Number 4, graffiti on the wall. And number 5, someone who helps an elder woman to cross the street. So which one is correct?
Now here, we want you to think about Thailand and what is the lifestyle that you lead by looking at the pictures. So the first picture is from a farm. So think of the lifestyle of that person. They are citizens, but they live in the village. So their life is very different from the second picture here. They live in a city. So they are also citizens, but their lifestyle is a little different. So think about what the lifestyle difference is and write it down in your notebook.
Here for some example, responsible citizen. So here, I care about others, even like in a classroom. If you see someone who is struggling with exercise, you can care about him and help him.
And then you respect the flag, and you learn a little bit about the world in the school. So all these things are, things that responsible citizens do. I think something that everyone should do all over the world is care for the environment.
Yes.
So if all responsible citizens of the world collect, we can become responsible citizens of the world. So think about it. Read through all the points and tell us which one you like the best, which is the most important.
Now let's go to the diagram. So write how good citizens should be in sentence as many as you can. So example, I try to take the bicycle to go to school.
Or you can say you should be kind and helpful to elder people.
Yes.
So
Try to find as many as possible for the diagram.
And you can look at the video, just the previous, and get ideas from there as well.
Yes.
So they have 9. Try to bring, say, 11 or 12. Okay.
So take your time to write it on an A4 paper, and then you can jump to the reflective. So what have you learned from this lesson? I'm sure you have a few things that you learned with citizenship. And as usual, summarizing.
So write the vocabulary in your notebook and also find the time meaning for that same word. Complete the exercises in your notebook. And please complete the thinking tool, which was the diagram. And do it on A4 size paper and bring it back to school so we can check it for you.
Yes. So that was for topic number 2. We see each other for topic number 3.
All right. Take care.
See
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.